Hi there, this is Darlene Griffiths, and this is my data protocol for AEP 858, Module 17. We put all of these things in place for student success, so that's what I have in the middle here of my protocol. And I've set it up similar to a clock. So I'm going to start at the top with who are we as a school. So my staff and I would want to sit down and we would want to discuss who are we? What is our mission? Why are we here? Okay? And then moving around, what is our structure? What do we have in place to help students? And what is the procedure for different processes, such as for graduation? What are they expected to do? If they're in a career technical pathway, what does that pathway look like? So then after we looked at our structure, we would go on down. What are our strengths and our weaknesses? So we would want to look at the data and celebrate those things that we are strong in, and then look at where are some things that we need to improve. So then we would move on down and we would want to write our mission statement. What is the overarching idea that we want to have for our school? And most of the time it's just going to have something to do with student success. We want all students to succeed, or like the Kansas Can mission, we want to lead the world globally in student learning. Then we would go on down and be more specific with goals. What things are we specifically going to work on? And then moving on around, where are we now? So as far as our goals, what are some things that we are currently doing well now, but where do we want to be and how do we get there? So then we move on to analysis. We're going to look at that data. We're going to see where we're at and look at where we want to be, and then we want to make an action plan. How do we get from here to there? And we want to include strategies. Specifically, who's going to do this? Who's going to do that? When are they going to do it? When will that be reported back? Who that will be reported to? And we want to be very specific so that there is checks and balances. Are you doing your job? Am I doing my job? And is somebody checking up on me? And then we want to evaluate where we are. So if we are following that action plan and we are implementing those strategies, are things working? Do we need to go back and tweak some things to make them better? And so if you notice, it's a circle because we're in this process. We're going to go round and round until we see the results that we want. And we can always back up as we need to and revise as needed. So we will continue on this process until we get things right, or until we get things so that students are leading the world in education. So thanks for watching and have a great day.